Hello, my name is Kemoy Walker and I am a head of year in a school in Manchester, Roman Catholic school, head of year to 276 pupils within a secondary school. Being a black head of year has been a journey in terms of, again, being black and kind of working my way up to prove to myself that I am capable of doing such a role. Has been an experience for me. However, I am in such position and also a middle leader within the school, which is incredible. I do think a lot of the kids, they do need to see people who look like them and schools that reflect them also. And within the school, before I started, it didn't have anyone that reflected the young people of colour there until I joined. Working on things such as Black History Month, and promoting the work that black people do, being a head of year and standing at the front of the assembly hall, and young people, especially young black people, seeing me as somebody of colour, being a leader in front of them, has been something of an experience. And for them to see that has been incredible for them, because they need role models and people that look like them and reflect them in positions of power, especially in roles of like education, which has been key. I do think the Black History Month and also new things need to be added to the curriculum within schools, that again, young people could learn more about black people, learn more about their cultures, but also understanding the world around them and people around them of their colour, and seeing them more within job roles, again, that reflect them. So I do think Black History Month and other curriculums need to change and have more more things of black culture within the curriculum that will definitely entice black people to learn more. Because I feel like young people within schools often feel like they're just learning things that they can't relate to, whereas if they're learning more about their culture and identity, it will definitely help those young people to be aspirational and definitely inspire them to be the best version of themselves.